Welcome back, class, to the last part of Class 6 Geography, Chapter 1. Let's start. Moon. Moon is a natural satellite of our planet Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 of the Earth. It is fifth largest satellite. The moon moves around Earth. This is our Earth. Moon moves around Earth is about 27 days. Only one side of moon is visible to us on Earth. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. Tides. Tides Tides are rise and fall of sea levels caused by combined effects of gravitational forces exerted by moon and sun and earth. This is our sun and this is earth. When moon comes between earth and sun, then we have gravitational pull because of sun and moon on earth, and we have high tides, which is rise of sea levels, and low tides. Ganymede, largest moon in solar system. It is the moon of Jupiter, which is largest planet in solar system. Titan is second largest moon in solar system of Saturn. Distance from Earth is 384 sorry distance from Earth is 384,400 kilometer. Sidereal sidereal month. Sidereal month is the time moon takes to complete one full revolution around Earth with respect to background stars. It lasts 27.32 days. Synodic month or lunar month is longer than sidereal month and it lasts 29.53 days. Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2 are the missions of India. Chandrayaan 1, India's first mission to moon, which is launched successfully on October 22, 2008. It helped to determine the presence of water ice on moon. Chandrayaan 2nd is the second lunar exploration mission launched on 22nd July 2019. We have read all these. You can read. Other important terms: asteroids, as I already told you. Asteroids are small rocky objects that exist between Mars and Jupiter. They are small rocky elements. Largest of the asteroid is Ceres, which is one of the dwarf planets, as we discussed earlier. Meteorites are the smallest particles that move around sun and they can fall on earth. When they fall on earth, there is a friction produced because of friction. There is a flash of light that is generated. Comets are icy small solar system body. When they passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases. This is known as coma and tail. Pulsars are spherically compact objects that are about size of large city but contain more mass than sun. They are highly magnetic rotating bodies or neutron stars. So here we friends complete chapter 1 geography class 6th. We will back with second chapter of NCERT class 6 geography. Thank you.